Hey, it's Peter, and I'm going to show you how to cut a pineapple. You already know how to cut one? Well, I'm going to show you a trick you might not know. And remember, sometimes things aren't as they appear. Voila. What I did was cut the top and bottom off this pineapple several hours ago and turned it upside down on my counter. Why? Because there's a theory that the juices will run, sweetness will redistribute, and when you cut this pineapple, it will be sweeter. Whether it's true or not, I don't know, but I do it and I get absolutely delicious pineapples. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to go back and cut a little bit more off the top and bottom so you don't see any brown spots, and a little bit off the top. And then what you're going to do, and make sure you have a really sharp knife, this makes it a lot easier, right? What I'm going to do is just run my knife, then maybe I'll do it sideways here so you can see, and just get rid of all the brown, right? And if it's not perfect, don't worry, you can come back and get it. And then you're just going to do a slight turn, maybe I'll show you this way, and you're just following that other cut. And so you're not getting rid of too much of the pineapple, but you're getting rid of the outer shell, which you don't want, obviously. So I'm just going to continue on here. You get the point. And then once we get all of the outside off, we're going to slice this in half. Before I do, I just want to go around and do a quick check and cut off any brown bits that I see. Okay. And then what we're going to do is cut this in half. You're going to see a core on the top of this. Whoa, it's a little slippery. I don't know if you could see that, but you want to cut right through that core. Okay, and be careful because it is slippery, and that's why if you have a sharp knife, there's less chance of something going wrong, which you don't want. So you're going to cut down the middle, and then you're going to quarter this. Cut down the middle right through that core. I'm going to turn it this way, I don't know if you can see it, but right through that core, okay? I'm going to lay those down. We'll do the same thing on this side, right through the core. And then what we're going to do is take our quarters and cut that inside core off because it's woody and grainy. You don't want to eat that. All right, so the more you do this, you'll figure out how much to actually cut. I'm going to do that with all of these pieces. Take our time. And I've been getting incredible pineapples lately. I don't know if it's the season for them. I should check that, right? But they've been incredible. And then once you have your quarters, you cut those in half. And you can cut this any way you want, really, as big or small as you want. So I just cut this in half, and then I'm going to cut little chunks. This is the way I like to eat it. This is the way my kids like to eat it. And I'll do this at the beginning of the week, and then I'll put them in a container. I put the container away, just in a glass container. I like to use glass instead of anything else because I think putting things in plastic might not be as healthy as putting it in glass. And what you have is this incredible, delicious fruit. Why am I eating pineapple? Because it has digestive enzymes and has probiotics. Why do I want digestive enzymes? Because I want to have a healthy gut. Why do I want to have a healthy gut? Because the healthier my gut is, meaning the more probiotics I eat, the more enzymatic foods with enzyme I eat, the more healthy bacteria will be in my gut. When I have healthy bacteria in my gut, that helps me be as healthy as possible. And fast forward, what it does is it fights disease and illness. So it supports my immune system, it lowers the stress. It's all related by doing such a simple thing, by eating fresh fruit. The other fresh fruit that I eat are organic berries, oranges, and whatever other fruit might be in season. I have to figure out what pineapples are. So try that. I hope you enjoy it, and at the very least, you found a new way to do something with a pineapple, or maybe you've never cut one before. Let me know how you do. Until next time, I'm Peter.